You can wriggle, you can move up and down, but you can also do heel to bottom. You can also let your whole body come down on the floor, so if you want, you can let your head rest down on your hands. And if the outer thigh feels all right, then you could point your knee to the floor and do quad down the front. Breathe deep. And then move it further down, just above the knee. Let your ribs come down, let your head come down, have a wriggle. And if you feel able to, heel curl in, opposite leg. Opposite leg out to the side, sorry. The heel curl is on the hog leg. But you're just doing opposite knee out to the side to give you a bit of stability. How's that, Jerem? Is it all right?